What's in his chest?
I don't know.
A Broviac.
Bubble gut.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it. Her body.
No.
Oh.
Do you think it would hurt you?
Yes. Over there. Over there.
Yeah.
No. Right on tummy. Right
What?
there.
What do we do with it?
Oh no.
Why does Buddy have it?
Buddy have it. And he went off.
But why does he have it?
And one it off.
We can't take it off.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Does he have it to give him his medicine?
Yes.
What kind of medicine does he take?
2.
Huh?
2.
No, do you not remember what it's called?
3.
Factor 8?
Factor 8.
That's the kind of medicine Buddy takes? Buddy has hemophilia. Can you say that word?
And the bang name.
Can you say hemophilia?
Feedable.
Hemophilia.
Feedable.
Do you love Buddy?
No.
What?
No.
Yes, you do.
Yeah.
He's your brother.
Okay.
You love him?
Uh-huh.
A lot?
Okay.
Show me how much.
Okay.
Show me how much.
I don't know. Okay.
You're crazy.
Okay.